Do you ever feel like money disappears quickly? Today, let's talk about simple ways to save and use money wisely in easy English. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Teach English, the podcast where we help you learn English in a fun and simple way.
Hello, I'm John, and I'm so happy you're here. Today's episode is very useful because we're talking about money, saving, and budgeting.
Yes, money can feel difficult sometimes, right? Many people say, I can't save, I don't know where my money goes. But today, we will explain everything in easy English so you can understand and also learn new vocabulary.
Exactly. Our level today is perfect for A2 to B1 English learners. So don't worry. No difficult words, no confusing ideas. Just simple and friendly conversation.
Before we talk about saving money, let's warm up. John, what is the first thing you think about when you hear the word money?
Good question. When I hear money, I think about freedom. Money helps us do things we want. Travel, buy food, help our families. What about you?
For me, money means responsibility. We must use it wisely. If we spend too much, we feel stressed. But if we plan well, life becomes easier.
That's so true. And many English learners want to talk about money, but they don't know the right words. So in today's episode, we will teach simple vocabulary like budget, save, spend, needs, wants, plan, and more.
Yes, and we'll also give easy examples. For example, a budget is just a simple plan for your money. How much do I get? How much do I spend?
And saving is when you keep money instead of using it, like putting $5 in a jar every week.
Exactly. So in today's part 1, we just want to introduce the topic and get you comfortable with talking about money in English.
And in the next parts, we'll explain how to save, how to make a simple budget, and how to stop wasting money, all in easy English.
So stay with us. If you're enjoying this episode so far, please like the video, subscribe to Teach English, and write a comment telling us one word you know about money. Welcome back to Teach English. In part 2, we're going to learn some very important money words. These are simple, useful, and perfect for everyday life.
Yes, and remember, we're using A2 B1 level English, so everything will be easy to understand. Let's start with 2 basic words, spend and save.
Good idea. Spend means to use money. For example, I spend $10 on lunch, or I spend money on clothes.
Right. And save means to keep money and not use it. Example, I save $20 every week. Or, I save money for a new phone.
Now let's talk about needs and wants. These are very important for budgeting.
Yes. A need is something you must have, like food, water, rent, medicine, or transportation for work.
And a want is something you like, but you don't need it to live. For example, new shoes, fast food, video games, a new bag.
Exactly. Many people spend too much on their wants, and then they say, I can't save money. But if we understand the difference, it becomes easier to control how we spend.
Let's give a quick example. Imagine you earn $300 in a week. You spend on your needs like $120 for food, $80 for transportation, $50 for phone or bills.
That's $250 for needs. And now you have $50 left.
Now you can choose to spend it on your wants, like eating out or buying snacks. Or you can save some of it.
Yes! Even saving $10 or $20 a week is helpful, because small savings grow over time.
So the first step in good money management is know what you need, know what you want, decide how much to save.
And don't worry, we will help you make a real budget in the next parts. If you are learning something new today, please like, subscribe to Teach English, and comment one need and one want from your life.
Welcome back to Teach English. In Part 3, we're talking about easy ways to save money, even if you don't earn a lot. These tips are simple and great for beginners.
Yes, many people think saving money means big changes, but actually, small actions can help a lot. Let's start with the easiest one.
Tip number 1, track your spending. This means you write down everything you spend. For example, $2 coffee, $5 snack, $10 taxi.
When you write it down, you see where your money goes. Many people are surprised because they spend a lot on small things they don't really need.
Exactly. And you don't need a special app. A simple notebook or your phone's notes is enough.
A goal helps your mind focus. For example, I will save $5 every week, or I will save $20 every week.
It doesn't matter if it's a small number. Even $1 or $2 every week builds a saving habit. The important thing is consistency. Do it every week.
This one is simple. Just choose one thing you don't need. Maybe fast food, extra coffee, or online shopping.
Yes. For example, if you buy coffee for $3 every day, that's $90 a month. If you reduce it to 2 cups a week, you save a lot.
When you cut one small habit, you keep more money without feeling stressed.
Oh, I love this method. You take 3 to 4 envelopes and write on them: food, transport, bills, savings.
Then you put your money into each envelope. When the envelope is empty, you stop spending.
It's a great system for beginners. Very clear and very simple.
Many people think coins are useless, but if you put them in a jar every day, you can save $20 to $50 in a month easily.
Yes, I do this too. Every time I have small change, I put it in a box. After 2 months, I always find a nice amount. So these are easy, beginner-friendly ways to save money.
And in the next part, we will show you how to make a simple budget step by step. If these tips were helpful, please like the video, subscribe to Teach English, and comment one saving tip you want to try.
Welcome back to Teach English. In this part, we will show you how to make a simple budget using easy English. Don't worry, this is very beginner-friendly.
Yes, a budget is just a plan for your money. Nothing scary, nothing difficult. It helps you know how much money you get, how much you spend, and how much you can save.
Let's start with the first step. Income means the money you receive. For example, salary, pocket money, tips, or part-time job money.
Let's use an example to make it simple. Imagine you get $400 every week. That is your income.
Needs are things you must pay. For example, $120 food, $60 transportation, $40 phone bill, $100 rent or shared room, $20 medicine. Total needs equals $340.
So now you have $60 left.
Wants are things you enjoy but don't need, like eating out, new clothes, coffee, games, or movies.
From the remaining $60, you can choose maybe $20 for wants, which leaves $40.
Savings are very important. You can say, I will save $40 every week. Or if that feels too much, start with $10 or $20.
Any amount is good. The habit is more important than the number.
Yes, a budget only works if you follow it. Try it for 1 week. If something doesn't work, change it next week.
A budget is flexible. You can adjust it anytime.
At the end of every week, ask yourself, did I spend too much on wants? Did I save enough? Do I need to change something?
Reviewing helps you learn more about your money habits.
So this is a simple step-by-step way to make a budget.
And in the final part, part 5, we will talk about common money mistakes and how to avoid them. If you enjoyed this part, please like, subscribe to Teach English, and comment how much money you want to save this week.
Welcome back to Teach English. This is the final part of our episode about saving money and budgeting. Now let's talk about something very important, money mistakes. Everyone makes them, but today we'll help you understand them and avoid them.
Yes. And don't worry, we will explain everything in simple A2 to B1 English. Let's start with a very common mistake.
Many people don't have a plan. They just spend money without thinking. They say, I don't know where my money went.
But when you have a budget, even a small one, you know exactly where your money goes. A plan gives you control.
Yes, this is a big one. People spend a lot of money on things they enjoy. Snacks, shopping, takeout food, coffee, little online purchases.
These things are not bad, but if you buy them too often, your money disappears. The solution is simple. Limit your wants.
Some people say, I will save next month, but next month never comes.
Saving must start now, even if it's a very small amount. $1 every day becomes $30 in a month. Small habits grow.
When you don't track your spending, you forget. You don't remember that you spent $5 here, $10 there, $7 somewhere else.
But when you write everything down, you become aware. You can see the problem and fix it.
Some people make big plans. I will save $200 this week. Then they feel stressed and quit.
Always start small. Small steps are easier. Small steps last longer.
This is when you buy things because you feel sad, bored, tired, or stressed.
Yes, many people shop to feel better. But the happiness is short and you lose money.
A simple solution. Before you buy something, stop and ask, do I really need this, or am I just emotional right now?
If you don't have a goal, saving feels boring. But if you save for something important, like a trip, a phone, or emergency money, you feel motivated.
Yes, a goal gives your saving a purpose. It makes the process exciting.
So these are the most common money mistakes. Everyone makes them. But now, you understand how to avoid them.
Remember, money is not just about numbers. It's about habits, choices, and simple daily actions.
And if you follow the tips from today's episode, you can save more, spend smarter, and feel better.
Thank you so much for listening to Teach English. We hope today's podcast helped you learn new vocabulary and new life skills.
If you enjoyed the episode, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write a comment telling us one money lesson you learned today.
We will see you in the next episode. Take care and keep learning English.